Self-Introduction for Kids by Sayan Das. Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great today. My name is Sayan Das. Today, I want to tell you a few things about myself. I am 10 years old and I study in class 5 at Sunrise Public School in Kolkata. I live in a lovely place called Nimta. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my little sister, and me. My father is a teacher, and my mother is a homemaker. They both love me a lot. My favorite subject is English, because it helps me talk to people around the world. My hobby is drawing. I love using colors and being creative. In the future, I want to become a doctor, so I can help people and make them smile. Thank you so much for listening to me so kindly. Have a wonderful day. This video is proudly presented by Super Success Computer Education Center. যোগাযোগ 8017247298 এবং 9874152080। If you like my video, please do not forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more fun and learning. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.